Yeah, we're working on a package unit. 50L CDO26. This is a 22.5 ton unit. Charging chart. The system view board. I have all those sensors, and you can go inside the system and see everything on this unit. Controlling the USB controlling the fan. Water lights. Double checking current sensor. And there's the fan wires. Pump is going in. No more stuff here. Safety. This is what we're working with on the system. Through this board. We're gonna put the system into test, right? So you can just hit test, enter, password, so test mode right there, you hit test. And then hit the up arrow, so to turn it on. So that put the system into test, but you have to actually go into the service mode and put whatever you need into test. So you can test the fans individually, heat, cooling. So we're gonna check cooling. So the A1 test, that one's gonna turn on stage 1. Fan's gonna go to 60%. Everything is running. Blowers going up. Condenser fans supposed to be running. Low speed. So that's low speed for the condenser fans. Outside is a little bit cool right now, so that's why. So we're gonna ignore the software updates right now. Alright. We're gonna go into cool A2 for the other stage of cooling. Enter. Put the password again. To 100% for the fan. The condenser fan should be at 100%. The blower is going to go at 100%. For cool 2. Okay, we have a bad motor. No, it's not bad. Start it. while everything is running, we're gonna go back into the inputs, right? You can see temperature. It show you the outside air temperature. It show you the return air temperature. It show you the supply air temperature and space temperature. So we're gonna come out to temperature. We're gonna go to pressures. See, it show you the pressures and everything. So you don't have to hook a gauge up or nothing to this unit. And this have thermostats. You know, you could put a regular thermostat on there, so everything is off. So there's a connection for the thermostat itself. But we have EMS right now running off a backnet. And then this is a space sensor HARNET connection. So we're gonna get out of that one. And a lot of outputs. They show you all of that stuff. Indoor air quality level. We have the network setting, the general inputs. I have the enthalpy sensor, the return enthalpy sensor. That's the network. Where you could set it up and disable stuff. So that's the outputs. They will show you that compressor 1 and 2 is on. Liquid valve, that one is disabled. Let's see what else. Yeah, shut down the system. Run status. Other settings. Space temperature, clock schedules, configuration, alerts. They show you all the alerts with the history. And back into service mode. Collaboration, hardware, commission reports. You can put this unit in, you can go into advanced service. You can put this unit to self-commission. We're going to take it back out of test mode, hit the off, and we shut everything down. Filters, section right there.